who's the guy you want to get this year?
I want to get anybody that want me. You know, it's a lot of guys out there calling me. I seen David Lemieux. He didn't even come speak to me.
Oh, you saw him today?
Yeah, I know he see me because I'm out here shining, man.
Uh-huh.
You know that.
So that's who it is? We're going to get David?
It's a lot of names. You know, it's not clearly... I never like to say who it is or who I think about. I think it's a lot of guys thinking about me, but I'm never thinking about them. And just when it's time to fight and I sign on that dotted contract, then it's said, it's done, and I lose respect for them.
Most definitely. Just in case he don't see you before you leave, I want you to give a shout out to Floyd and winning the Silver Gloves, man.
Yeah, I want to give a shout out to little Floyd, man, for winning the Silver Gloves. You know, hard work pays off. When a little kid can dream big like that, only good things can happen. I'm always going to be a supporter of that.
Most definitely. Mayweather versus Pacquiao. If that fight happened,
you know Floyd Mayweather from the hometown, Grand Rapids, Michigan, and you know I'm a big fan. He inspired me to be where I'm at. So I'm always go with the home base, and always going to be like, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Go with the home team, but you know, at the end of the day, my opinion doesn't matter. It's the winner is going to win, and that's going to be the best man.
Most definitely. Congratulations.
Thank you, man.
Let's take it to the next level. 2015, Kid Chocolate,
Make sure y'all get Kid Chocolate at Instagram, at Kid Chocolate, on Twitter, at Kid Chocolate. Hit that website up, www.kidchocolate.com. Shout out to my pinky ring. Yes. What's up?